Today's video is just a bit of fun on roundabouts. All I want you to do is watch the video, count how many roundabouts you can spot on the video. If you get correct at the end, I'm going to reveal it anyway, so you'll know whether you get it correct or not. And if you do, fantastic. Halfway through the video, I'll pause it for a second to give you a little breather. I'm going to pause it at a certain point. You tell me what's going on at that point there at the end. Okay, look forward to your comments and enjoy the video. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. There was exactly 19 roundabouts on this video today. So if you got it spot on, give yourself a big thumbs up and a pat on the back and put a comment below, say you got it spot on or you got it correct. If you got it wrong, fine, have another look. I'm sure I've got it right. I'm sure I counted 19, but if you counted 20 or 18, it's completely different. Then tell me I've got it wrong myself. And that boy and girl stood on a roundabout. Why are they stood there? Do you know the proper answer for that one? If you do, put it below. If you're thinking you know why, put it below. So it'll be interesting what comments you put. And the music on today's video, that's also below, and it's off the YouTube. You can get it for free. So well done, and watch out for my next video next time.